Have you seen? Have you seen? You just turn. Yeah. Here you can close the knife and open the knife. It has English also. Then you can put it. Yeah, it's in English. Yeah, you see? Then it's 10 to green, and then it's okay. Then you should use your hand. Yeah. See? Easy. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Show you what? Drill bill. Okay. I show you this. You want to see the normal drill？ 你把这个卸下来，我给大家看一下这个钻。
这洗到。
好，知道。Okay, you can see this one. Here is a drill bit. Yeah, you have we call it a corner. This is the corner. Okay, this is the pour nut, and you can fasten it by your hand. Normally, when your tool manufacturer they try to sell you the tools, you can ask the tool nut and the drill bit and the tools, and also they will sell the blade, or you can see insert. So this is totally one set. You see it clearly? So what? Yeah, this is a high-speed drill. You can use this. We call it a U drill, or you can have this one. I show you, huh? You can see all this is drill.
这个我给我拿。一个种来。
慢点，慢点哈。You can buy as you need. I mean, you can ask the manufacturer to give to you. Like this is a drill, like this one. And the insert. Yeah. Twister drill. You mean twister drill? Twister drill, right? 哎，咱这个能用那个麻花钻钻吗？
能，可以。
麻花钻钻，这有麻花钻吗？
有麻花钻没刀柄，
没那个，咱没麻花钻刀柄了。
有一个小的，
用个小的给咱试试吧。
找一个这个大头的，
找个大头。对上。
看看这个是麻花钻的哈。And I need to tell you for the drill bit, if you using the U drill or the carpet drill, if you use the U drill or carpet drill, this is twister drill. You see? Yeah. Yeah, twister drill. This is a twister drill. You need also using the different. This one is this is using the drill bit is for the twister drill. So the twister drill and the U drill is different. You see, this is for U drill and carpet drill. This is for twister drill, but it's both working. I ask the operator to take one drill bit and then to show you. Okay. Okay. Same way, same, totally same. Only only it didn't the structure is different, but the using it the same. You see, because same. Yeah, but only the pour stud is different. This one is like this. You see? Okay. Okay. So you can also other thing I show you, and then we will take the drill for you. Now all the control cabinets, all the electrical cabinets is inside. I don't open for you. I will take a video for you. Okay? For inside, yeah. Okay, I will record a video for you. All the machine, all the detail I will record a video. And here is the pump for the chip collection pump is over here. And here is the hydraulic center. Hydraulic center is using for the drill. When you change the drill base, you will using that is the hydraulic power from here. The hydraulic center for you. Yeah, okay. So on the sheet flexion, control is repeated. Yeah. Okay. So now all the things for the machine is like this. Okay, no problem. Control panel is Siemens, and the wheel. This is the control panel. Yeah, it's a controller. All the electrical is over here, inside. I have already recorded a video I will send you because right now is a lot of water. It will be a little dangerous to come inside. If you want to see, I will see a video. Okay?
这旁边上都已经。
别动下边啊！
你得开开啊！
你得看。
看什么？
看零
我
件。
看一下这个。
我开到后面来，给你开开就行了。
啊，你开到后面来吧。
慢点，慢点哈。
Okay, I'll ask them to open for you. 不用录了，我刚才录视频。
关上吗
Can you see it clearly? The CTD spindle. I will record it. I will record a video for you. Okay? And Siemens. Also pictures. Don't worry. Yeah, all is in English. Soft copy and hard copy will send to you, okay?
关什么？